selected, which is 2nd of February. So from 2nd of February to today, that's about 18 days. No, 16 days. Okay, so total profits so far on this level is $849. If I multiply it by the average withdrawal process, which is like 5.6, sometimes 5.65, 5.64, 5.63, let's just say 5.62, that's 477,000 naira. Now, it's not yet the end of the month. Just imagine what you too can achieve doing the same. It is not magic. Okay, it's here. You can see them. Okay, they are all here. These are withdrawal process. You can see them from 2nd of February. I did all the summation. That's why you are seeing the value here. See all the numbers here. They all add up. Little by little, it becomes more. Okay, I wanted to cover like 10 days, but I think I've been able to do about like 8 or so. So I may not be opportune to start to continue covering and recording and stuff like that because I'm about getting busy. So I need you to understand, is it doable? This is almost $500,000. Okay, with one more withdrawal of maybe probably tomorrow by 30,000, 15,000 or something, this becomes $500,000. It's as easy as that. But you see, it requires commitment and dedication, following your rules, little by little. The problem with a lot of people is that they want to amass everything at once. You don't need to do that. You just need to pick it small. Once, dollar, take your time. Once, one step after the other, and you'll be good. So it's really an easy thing to do, an easy task, and anybody can do this. Anybody. Hey, you too, you can do this. Remember, no matter how small it is, always collect. You see withdrawal of $20, $30, $40, $100, depending on how the profit comes in. I get them and I withdraw them. So it's as easy as this. But you see, you may now be wondering, so if I want to be doing this level of withdrawal, how much do I need? It's not about the amount, it's about the discipline. There is a process involved. It is the same process I practice daily. Okay? It's the same process that I practice daily. And that's all you need to learn. Learn how to be able to make $1 from $10 and you are okay. You are good. It means you're set for life. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.